Hey, my daughter wanted me to do some crawfish and seafood for her birthday. And if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Can Daddy cook?
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, welcome back, welcome back. Like I said before, my daughter wanted me to do some seafood, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna do a supporting cast because we're on the outside set. I'll show you that, my outside venue. But I'll talk about the ingredients as we go along. All right, guys? The first thing I need to do is wash my potatoes and get my potatoes going. Now, these type of potatoes, they're little russets and little reds. I don't know the names of them, but get some small potatoes. No potatoes, not a big deal. All I'm gonna do with these small potatoes, guys, is I'm going to wash them. I'm gonna leave them whole. All right, just give them a quick rinse, make sure there's no dirt on them. Simple and easy, let the water out. All right, once they've been rinsed and drained, put them right back into the pan. Nice. Let me set them to the side. Now, we're gonna do my sausage. All right, these are beef kielbasa. I'm just gonna cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Nice. Next thing is small ears of corn. Now you can put the whole small ears of corn, yay big, y'all see these, whole or half, but I'm gonna cut them in half once again, just so that they're more manageable. Now this is what we're working with right now. And now all I'm gonna do is sprinkle this with Old Bay, or you can use any type of Cajun seasoning that you would like. I like Old Bay. Just like that. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Not too much. Just like that. Cover the little bitty potatoes about 1/2 of the way. And then all I gotta do now is cover with aluminum foil. Now I'm gonna take it over here to my high-speed outside kitchen. I'm gonna turn on the 2 middle burners. Put them on medium. Actually, I'm gonna put them on low. Close the top. And I'm gonna let this go for about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes before I check them. Now you're gonna say, Phil, I thought you said you were doing seafood. There's no seafood in there. Well, the shrimp take no time to cook. The crawfish and the crab legs only have to be warmed through. So what I'm gonna do is make sure that my potatoes are cooked and the sausage and the corn is ready. And then all I have to do is add everything else on top. I will be right back. All right, guys, we're gonna check this for potato tenderness. These have been going a little bit longer. Take these out. Right there. And let's see what we got. Ooh, that's hot. Sorry, camera. Steam is terrible. Get that out of the way for now. Nice. They're not 100% fork tender, but they're close, and that's perfect because we still got more cooking to go. So from this point, all I gotta do is run inside, get the seafood, throw it on top, seal it, stick it back on. I will be right back. This looks beautiful. Now let's add the seafood and the crawfish. This crawfish was already seasoned. Shrimp. These have already been deveined and shelled, except for the tails. They're going on in there. Just like that. Some Pinot Grigio, because my daughter Jessica says this tastes the best. I was going to use Chardonnay, but I decided not to. Throwing about half a bottle of Pinot. Nice. I'm going to throw in a stick of butter. I'm going to cut into pats. Spread that over as I see fit. Okay, from there I need some, sorry for shaking the camera. Y'all okay? All right. Some lemon juice. Juice of a whole lemon. Some more Old Bay. All right, y'all, I'm just gonna cover this up one more time. And this is going right back on the gas grill. All I need to do is let this shrimp turn pink. We'll be good to go. Back on the grill we go. I'm going to turn on the 2 center burners once again. There you go. Put them on medium. Close that down. You know what? Stop gas freeze. I'm about to mess up here. Not even gonna take it off. You know what I almost forgot to put on, y'all? Some of these. I'm about to mess up my own video. I'm just gonna throw on one here and one there, crab legs. Now, let me get me some food porn real quick. I'm gonna cover this with aluminum foil and I'm gonna let it go until my shrimp turn pink. I'll be right back. While the seafood is going inside the grill, I have these beautiful things. These are some very big, look at the size of my hands. These are some very big scallops. What I did with these was just dried them off, olive oil, salt and pepper. Make sure you dry off your scallops, guys, because wet meat will not sear. Wow, I wish y'all could smell this. Woo. I'm so proud of myself. All right, guys, this is a triple whammy. Whammy 1, this is the first cooking video I've done in about 3 months. Whammy 2 is my daughter's birthday. I love that whammy. And whammy 3 is the first cook I did, the maiden voyage of the outdoor kitchen, and it turned out great. That thing's amazing. You will see more of that. Now, I did some perfectly grilled, and I say perfectly grilled, sea scallops. Huge, the big ones. But they ain't most of them. So if you want to see them, you need to go to my Instagram, which is all lowercase, daddy_cooks_YT. The YT's for YouTube. And tell me what you think about them scallops. Once again, daddy_cooks_YT Instagram. Follow me. All right, guys, now it's time for the reveal. Here we go. I took this out a little while ago and let it cool. Booyah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That looks amazing, guys. The shrimp's cooked and all of that. Yes. So what I'm gonna do is, let me reset. I'm gonna get to Shayla because it's her birthday and let her do the taste test. I will be right back. Y'all just saw how beautiful that was. Now my beautiful daughter, to Shayla, it's her birthday. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you, Daddy.
She's 50. She's 25 years old, y'all. All right, baby. Do my taste test for me. Microphone's right here. You taste what you want. We got crawfish in there. We got potato in there. We got corn in there. We got shrimp in there. Try whatever you want and tell me what you think. Cooked all the way through?
Yes.
All right. Mushy?
No, it's not mushy. It's just right. Got a little kick to it, a little spiciness.
All right. She gonna suck the head. This is my kid. We ain't afraid of no food.
It's spicy.
All right. Try the tail meat.
Yeah. Tender.
Tender, not mushy, because those were
No,
frozen. They're
not
good?
mushy.
Good
Really
flavor?
good. Yes.
Okay. The scrimps.
Come here.
She laughed. Not overcooked?
Not overcooked.
Not mushy?
Not mushy at all.
All right, drop a tooth in that corn. If a tooth pop out, it'll fall over.
That's a strong teeth thing.
Okay.
Oh, juicy.
Juicy.
Perfect. Seasoning. Everything combines together just perfectly.
It's good? Happy birthday, baby. Take your cake with you. That ain't no cake.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, sweetie. All right, y'all. There you have it. My first cook in a long time. I hope you enjoyed this. This turned out fantastic, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel. My girls call me
Daddy.
and I cook.
cook?
Mm-hmm.